going to give you a quick tip here on Blender's quick favorites menu, and it came out like 2.8 or 2.83, something like that, 2.89, some time like that ago. And I've got 2.92 here, and if you press the Q menu, you pull up the quick favorites. And I've already added some. I've added the cube, or I can just add a cube. And I can also click auto smooth instead of having to go over here and find it in the normals and check it. I put it in the quick menu. I've also got Boolean and subdivision surface. So boom, there it is. So how does the quick menu work? It's a customizable menu, and you add the functions to it that you want to. For example, if I want to add a monkey as a quick favorite, I would go to the menu where it is, and I would right click, and here you see add to quick favorites. Boom. And now if I type Q, I can add a monkey. And who doesn't want to add a monkey? And that's a quick tip on how to use the quick favorites. And also one more thing, like when I added it, where the checkbox is over here on the right under normals, if you right click it, it has the option to add it to the quick favorites. But since I've added it, it now gives me the option to remove it from the quick favorites. So another one might be, let's see if this works, I don't know. But yeah, add to quick favorites. So if you want to add a new material to something, you can right click, add it to quick favorites, and move this up here. And then if I go Q and new, add new material. And there it is. There's the new material. Now if you noticed, it only had new here, but the pop-up menu was add a new material. So each one of these has a pop-up that comes with it. So that's not real explicit, but the pop-up is a little more definitive on what it is. And there you go. That's how to add your quick favorites to your menu. And then you can also, I just found this out now, right click and remove it right here. So if you want to remove that, boom, remove it. And now when it comes up, it's not there. Remove it. And then it's no longer there.